Hey everyone, I hope you're doing super well. Lately I've been thinking, since everybody's so busy with buying outdoor plants for the summer, what are the prices like for indoor plants at your local nurseries compared to the big box stores in your community? And for that, we need to go and check out some locations, and that's what this episode is all about. So let's get to it. Who has the best plants and the best prices? We'll compare big box stores with local nurseries. Plus, ever see mammoth-sized Monstera constellations? Bet you can't guess how much they cost. And the rare treasures I stumbled upon at Nick's Garden Center in Aurora, Colorado. That's where today's journey takes us.
So inside Nick's here, obviously this being the season for so many outdoor plants, there is a wide array, and this is only a small portion, but I'm focusing in on the indoor tropical plants to see what they have here, because I haven't been here in a minute. And right away, these bromeliad are catching my attention, just look at those colors. I have this one right here, and it is stunning. It actually flowered recently, and but I really like this pinkish red type one, and this kind of like silvery zebra. And of course, we're seeing so many Monstera constellations, and this one right here is $250, which is kind of strange to me because Walmart is selling them for $40 at this size, so it's kind of a high price. But you have some more ficus, some bromeliad. I just recently got one of these, but not here. And what do we have here? Ooh, a philodendron, 12-inch philodendron golden crocodile, $698 is the price on that one. And you have your like standard pothos, hanging baskets, $34.99, which of course is, a little bit higher of a price. And then we have our Monstera Stenliana for $80, and I just got one of these from Costa Farms for $20. So the prices here seem to be a little bit higher, but every so often you'll find like certain plants here that you wouldn't find anywhere else that are actually really cheap. This is one of my favorite places to visit for plants. The Alocasia Mickey Mouse, $49.99. I do want one of these, but they also, from what I hear like this, their leaves die off pretty quickly. So maybe skip that for now. But let's see what we have over yonder. Oh, you have some Cebu Blue, or no, Monstera Sultana, Silverleaf Monstera, a basket for $60. And more of them there. We have some Silverleaf Philodendron, Brandiatum. Those are $60 for a basket. I have to say, though, because I've been to some other indoor plant shops around Denver lately, and their plants have not been looking as healthy as others, but these ones look pretty darn healthy from what I'm seeing. But it's also like, we're getting into more of the outdoor gardening stuff. Let's see here. You have to kind of, everybody's focused on outdoor gardening right now, but it's kind of hard to see like all the indoor stuff as well. Monstera Escalito, $150 for a big plant like that. It's a pretty good price. And then, of course, they have their vast array of orchids. And they have some beautiful orchids here. Stunning species. But let's see more indoor stuff. And for that, I think we must go over here where there are succulents. So many succulents, they're all really cheap here. Like, I don't know, up to $25 really is the price on a lot of these succulents. I'm not a succulent person though, so I'm just going to skip that. Let's see what else we can find over here. Looks like we've got some Philodendron Bloody Mary, basket for $80. Some symbapses there. And I want to know what this baby is over here, this big one. This is its big giant leaves. What is this? There's no tag. Oh, here you go. It is I can't find it. Nope, that's not a tag. I don't know what this is, but if you do, please let me know in the comments below. Look at those leaves. They're like the size of an arm. The one thing that always catches my attention about Nyx is its giant plants. If you look at those giant Monstera type constellations, it's probably hard to tell from this camera, but those leaves are probably 3 to 4 feet long, which is nuts. Price tag is $1,620 from what I can read on them, but they're stunning.
My deepest apologies. I need to take a quick break just to remind you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to my channel so you can see more fun and interesting planty content like this, especially the urban jungle redesign stuff. That is bananas. Check it out.
So over here we have some bird's nest ferns. Price on them: bird's nest fern hurricane is $29.99. Little ficus, little fiddles, $16.99. This alocasia purple sword, $22.99. There's some button ferns only $10. Dracaenas, $14.99. And some terrace ferns, $10. And some little ivies, needlepoint ivies for $6.99. Those are cute, but I do not like ivies because they attract a lot of pests. I do love these, but I have some already. Some whale fans, it's a various prices vary. $44.99. Well, I'm also not big into cacti. They do have a really nice selection here, like Monstera cactus, $34.99. Let's see what else we have here. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but it's $34.99. You have your Aputia roadkill, $59.99. I like how flat that is. And then just so many different varieties over here. These do really well in Colorado, though. Oh, I like this, a fairy castle cactus. That's cute. So many fresh herbs here too. We have some basil, lots of basil. And I'm curious in the comments if you guys wouldn't mind letting me know, because I've been curious about starting to grow some herbs as well. Do you guys grow herbs? And which ones do you suggest somebody who's never grown them before start with? And which ones are your favorite? Let me know in the comments.
I'm curious to know, what's it like at your local plant shops? Are you seeing good plants available? Are the prices higher than normal? What are you guys seeing? Let me know in the comments below. Also, in my instance there at Nyx, which is a great place and always has really good prices, I have noticed that the prices might be a little bit higher right now, but the quality of the plants is definitely better than the big box stores like your Lowe's or Home Depot. But you know how it goes. It's always hit or miss. So I'm curious to know what you guys are seeing. Let me know. And as always, thanks so much for watching another one of my plenty videos. Until next time, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see more fun and interesting plenty content just like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.